Now, your first alert weather.
It's pretty hot into Pocatello today, and it will be even hotter tomorrow. As for today, we've got a lot of 90-degree temperatures out there, looking to be closer to 100 by tomorrow for many, especially around Pocatello. That's the hot spot right now with a 96-degree high. Just a 6-mile-per-hour breeze, though. Those winds, fortunately, are pretty quiet, and they are going to be staying that way for the most part through the extended forecast as well. We will watch for a little bit more moisture into central Idaho. The Viper radar, though, and the Viper cast indicating that this is mostly just going to kind of fizzle out as it heads over the eastern portions of the state. We'll see partly cloudy skies overnight tonight, but not too much moisture. That moisture is being pulled up from the Pacific, kind of being kicked right around the northwest, but it's going to be an upper elevation event for our area. You'll see that now as we tick through the Viper cast. This is 6 p.m. moving towards the evening hours. We've still got a little bit of activity towards the east, but like I said, as it pushes eastward, it's happening to the west. As it pushes eastward, it's going to lose some steam there, lose a little bit of energy. We're not going to see too much rain into our area until tomorrow afternoon. By Monday, again, in the mountain areas to the north, we'll look for some shower activity, even to the south as well. You can see some of that activity peaking over south of Twin Falls. But over the plain, not expecting too much. Even through the rest of the week, we'll just see about a 10% chance for most of us to see an isolated shower or two. Where we do see rain, it's not a heavy downpour. It's not a washout, just a few scattered showers here and there, with the chance, though, as we head towards the midweek, of more thunder and lightning. That's going to be bad news as far as that fire weather is concerned that we talked about earlier. As for your Monday, looking for near 100-degree temperatures into McCammon as well as Mlad. 97 your anticipated high for Preston with mid-90s through Soda Springs and Montpelier. Jackson's going to top out around 90 degrees for your Monday, looking for mid-90s through Rexburg, St. Anthony, and Dubois. Into central Idaho, we also have 90s across the board, low 90s for Stanley, Ketchum, and Mackay, with mid-90s through Challis, Salmon, and Arco. Pocatello will top out around 100 degrees for your Monday. That's going to be the peak of our heat wave there. We'll calm down after that, but it's going to be gradual cooling here. We're looking for mid-90s today, or Monday as well as Tuesday into Idaho Falls. At 94 though by Wednesday, and we'll just slowly lose a couple degrees here and there as we step towards the weekend, with mostly dry conditions here again. Critically dry out there. Just a few isolated showers possible over the plain. Mostly we'll be keeping those showers into the mountain areas with just slight cooling here moving on through. Do expect a bit more wind towards the midweek, along with those few showers and thunderstorms that'll move through. We'll see some breezy winds as well, perhaps around 20 miles per hour by Thursday. Wednesday also looking just a touch breezy. Hot and pretty clear through Monday and Tuesday. Temperatures into the mid-90s for Rexburg. Blackfoot looking at some upper 90s tomorrow. 96, 95, 94, that's the trend as we step through the first few days of the week towards some low 90s by the weekend. Then we look to the mountain areas where we will see a better chance for some shower activity, 20% chance through the first half of the week there, moving through Thursday, in fact, for Salmon. Partially cloudy skies, but still nice and warm with upper 90s tomorrow, mid-90s Tuesday, some low 90s. Actually, we'll bounce around a little bit between low 90s and mid-90s as we head towards next weekend. Not a lot of relief from the heat on the way. In fact, even Jackson, Wyoming, typically our cool spot on the map, hitting 90s tomorrow as well as Tuesday before cooling down into those 80s. Watching for, though, a few showers, a good chance, just a 20% chance each day for an isolated shower to make its way through Jackson, so perhaps catching just a little bit of moisture. Emma.
All right, thanks so much, Andrew.